Good morning to all of you, and welcome to Pre-Bell with William O'Neill India. Today, July 22nd, so it's 22/7/22. So let's hope for a good day. So if you look at Nifty setup, so I think it has reclaimed its key moving averages. कल इसका closing 100 DMA के ऊपर भी एकदम अच्छे से हो गया है, and that level is somewhere around 16,525. So today, even if it consolidates, move up and higher, lower and higher, then this 525. So this is the first level you should have in your mind. Maybe 10-20 points from here and there, but ये 16,525 का level becomes very crucial today. On the higher side, so here Nifty made a high couple of months back, that is somewhere around 16,793. तो जब ये 16,800 के ऊपर निकलेगा, so that will be important to watch out now on the higher side. A little far from here, but not that far, some 160-70 points to go. Let's see how the things goes today. But yes, these are the key levels you need to watch. See, market has moved a bit higher from the low. See, यहाँ पे भी ऐसा हुआ था 15,183. Some days it went higher, then 3-4 days of consolidation. Right, again after going higher, there was 3-4 days of consolidation. So if somewhere over here, see, you should not preempt कि हाँ ऐसा consolidation होगा ही. It might happen कि भाग जाए बाजार यहाँ से. तो प्रियम नहीं करना है, बट अगर ऐसा कंसोलिडेशन होता है देन यू शुड नॉट बी अफ्रेड. छोटा कंसोलिडेशन अगर लो वॉल्यूम पे होता है यहाँ पे, लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल इन दिस रेंज, अगर इसका हाई देखो जहाँ पे ये गैप है, सो दिस इज 350 लेवल. सो इफ निफ्टी कंसोलिडेट्स बिटवीन 650 to 350 level, and if you don't see any major stock giving up its gain, अभी क्या होता है कि मेजर सपोर्ट लेवल नहीं टूटना चाहिए स्टॉक स्पेसिफिक इंडेक्स में, ठीक है. if then it consolidate 200-300 point, that's never an issue. So just look for these things. Lot of news nowadays. Result season, आज बड़े results है, Reliance, Ultratech, Cement. So these are some of the top result that will be declared. Mostly Ultratech, Cement during the market आता है, and Reliance might come after the market hour, and many other results as well. And yes, tomorrow also. So I think this weekend is also packed with results. So कल ICICI बैंक का result है, कोटक बैंक का, and I think on Sunday it's Infosys. So Infosys, Kotak, ICICI, Reliance. So these all guys, almost 25 to 30% of Nifty Monday को react करेगा result पे. So Monday will be an eventful day for the market. The other news, the ECB, that is the European Central Bank, raised interest rate by 50 bips, and it now goes to 0% क्योंकि अभी तक वहाँ पे negative rate था, and this is the first hike in more than 11 years. Other key things to watch: India Mart was a good result. Sorry, yeah, this was down 47%. Okay, yeah, the revenue growth was good, somewhere around 23-24%, but margin was again a problem. Margin में 20% से ज़्यादा का fall आया, not a great thing. Cyient, again the profit was down, the revenue growth was just 5-6%, and here also margin declined to 11.3.7% from. So last 2 quarters से यही story है, revenue growth में इतना दिक्कत नहीं आ रहा है, but the problem is the margin. Now if you look at JSW Energy, so this was a beat. So JSW Energy का result अच्छा था, it beat estimates. Margin थोड़ा कम था again, but yeah, the PAT and revenue was above estimate. So the PAT grew somewhere around 68% and revenue growth was 75%. Then margin declined almost 6 to 7% to 33%. SRF, again same story, no change. PAT revenue beat estimate, margin was a little below consensus estimate. हाँ, but यहाँ पे margin expand हुआ है 70 bips. So that is not a, तो इतना मेजर मिस नहीं था लाइक JSW एनर्जी. बाकी के रिजल्ट्स भी कुछ बहुत थे. परसिस्टेंट का रिजल्ट वाज अ गुड वन, इट बीट एस्टिमेट. एम्फेसिस का रिजल्ट अच्छा था, इनका मार्जिन भी एक्सपांड हुआ है. इनफैक्ट एम्फेसिस का कोफोर्ज रिजल्ट वाज गुड, नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम. एंड कैनफिन होम का भी रिजल्ट आया था. सो ह्यूज लिस्ट दैट टू रिएक्ट टुडे. सो कैनफिन रिजल्ट वाज आल्सो गुड. If you look at the global market update, yeah, the US market was good. I think 1.5 to 1.5% gain. This morning, the Asian market is also trading well. I think 0.7%, 0.5% gain, and I think the Kospi is just around minus 0.5%. So if you look at the USD INR, around the same level, 79.89, 80 के बीच में अभी oscillate कर रहा है. Crude oil at 105, no major gain. So that's what an Indian investor always thinks कि हाँ भाई crude oil नहीं भागना चाहिए. That has not happened. 10-year yield around 2.9%. And yes, Tesla gains, I think 8 to 10% gain after strong Q2. So it was a beat on estimate. And yes, ये भी बताया उन्होंने कि they dumped 75% of Bitcoin. So ये Bitcoin वाला अभी चलता ही रहता है क्योंकि this got a lot of attention after the chairman of the Tesla group, he used to tweet about the Bitcoin and the Tesla accepting Bitcoin and all, but they have dumped almost 75% of the Bitcoin, and they want to remain in cash. Now, if you look at SGX, muted opening, 6:30 के around trade कर रहा है. Closing कल का 6.5, 6.10 के around था. So maybe 10-20 points here and there the opening might be, and then market can decide the direction. So high SGX का almost 693 तक गया था. So yeah, well, let's look how the Indian market reacts. And the chart of the day, the last one. So today we have Coal India as our chart of the day. It has excellent EPS of 90, its EPS rating of 90. Fund holding increase हुआ है. The ROE of 69 is excellent. Current results भी अच्छे थे. Now, if you look at some of the growth drivers, तो एक तो उनका production is high, sales volume is high, and e-auction is gaining the strength. तो उनका e-auction की वजह से उनको higher prices मिल रहा है. So for long term, this is positive. Plus, you should not miss what the Honorable Minister of Coal said yesterday in Lok Sabha, Mr. Prahlad Joshi, that the government has given a target of 1 billion ton of production to Coal India by 2024-25. 2024-25. अभी 1 billion ton के production का अगर government ने target दिया है, then government will help in every way to Coal India, and that this is visible over here that 83 mining projects has already got the green clearance. So this is what the minister informed in Lok Sabha yesterday. So इतने सारे project को clearance दे रहा है, इतना बढ़ा रहा है टारगेट. सो रिसेंटली जब इनका Q1 का अपडेट आया तभी वो लोग बोले कि कैपेक्स भी बढ़ा दिया. ठीक है, 2500 करोड़ का प्लान था Q1 में, उसके बगैर 3000 करोड़ प्लस का कैपेक्स हो गया. So in all the front, it is, the growth looks good because see demand ज्यादा है. पावर सेक्टर से अच्छा डिमांड है, दूसरे सेक्टर से अच्छा डिमांड है. The government will want that India to be power surplus. और फ्यूचर में क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं, बट अभी के लिए जो नेक्स्ट डेकेड है, यू नीड कोल, राइट. सो दैट इज द very crucial for the growth of the country, the power sector, and for to pump the power sector you need Coal India. And so that's chart of the day today. So yes, it is forming a cup with handle base, just 2% to break out, and the price volume action looks quite good. The relative strength of 71 is fine, and since last couple of months it is gradually trending higher. So this is what we like about the relative strength in this stock. So overall a good setup. Accumulation bhi acha hai, group rank is good, no two ways about it. So overall a good setup, and it's a chart of the day. But again guys, it's not an investment advice, so the disclaimer was at the start of the presentation, but just to reiterate. And yes, one thing that I noted over here is the delivery. So generally इसमें क्या होता है 20-25% का delivery का average रहता है, but अभी yesterday there was a 47% delivery volume, and I think एक दो दिन पहले Monday या Tuesday को भी somewhere around 35 to 37% delivery था. So this is also something you should look at. So that's it for the today's session. Thank you for joining into Pre-Bell with MarketSmith India. So now we will meet again at 4:30 and we will take the weekly review. So see you again at 4:30 p.m. today. So link will be shared with you. Thank you.